Oh, baby, let me tell y'all something. It's done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Allie. For those of you that don't know, thank you for tuning in, and I hope that you like this video. Today, the homemade hair mask that I am doing, as you've seen, is boom, the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, along with the apple cider vinegar. So, quick background story. I recently did this on my face, and as you can see, I do have a few pimples, so I'm not going to say that it takes away all your blemishes, but let me tell you, I'm not wearing no type of makeup today because we're in quarantine, so why? Right. I had way more, and I woke up the next morning, my face was feeling like I just had like Botox, right? It was feeling so refreshed and tight. My dark spots, a lot of them were gone, and that was just from the first use. Same concoction that I'm going to be using on my hair, you use on your face. You only leave it on for 30 minutes if you're going to put it on your face. In my mixture for my hair mask. Everything is in the description below on exactly how I make this and what you need. Let's get started on the hair mask. So as you can see, I pre-parted my hair. This one's a little more up front, so you're probably like, Allie, what the fuck is going on with your part? Like, why can't you get that shit together? It's because I parted it down the middle. I'm starting with this side. I'm doing 3 different sections in this. So I pre-parted up front. There will be this 1, 2, and then 3. This will just make it easier to detangle and spray and apply. So now let's get started. All right, y'all, so you can see right here, I'm applying with my applicator brush that I got from Sally's for $1 or $2, the clay mask from the root down. Go ahead and use it sparingly, but accordingly. Make sure that it is wet. You can see that I just got my water bottle in hands, and I'm spraying it vigorously. Use your big words, y'all. And then keep applying it. You want your hair to be wet and detangled. My hair was dry here and undetangled, so you just don't want that to happen. And make sure that, I know you can't really see the back side of your head, but make sure that you're just kind of feeling around the back side of your head, especially when you're getting the root of the back scalp. Make sure you're getting that in, because the apple cider vinegar is supposed to cleanse your scalp. You want that to happen, okay? Then once you get down to the root, work it all through. Make sure that it's all in there. Your hair is soaked in with the whole entire clay mask in the part that you're currently dissecting, doing whatever you're doing. Cool. Now you can see that this is a whole new part. This is the second of the 3 parts that I'm doing. You can see that I sprayed and now detangled. Thank the Lord. I'm going to go ahead and now I guess I'm working from the bottom up. Y'all can really do whatever you want. You can see that I started to do my own thing here. I'm now back up at the root and working my way down yet again. You want to continuously do this until your whole head is filled. Y'all, let me tell you, if your hair sheds like mine, it's going to happen. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. So now I am mixing in a little bit more here because I'm running a little low. I didn't make enough. I honestly didn't. It's better to have more than less. So make sure that you're getting each and every part. You can see that I took my second part and I actually parted it into 2s. Do your thing, you know, just make sure that this mask gets in. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward and show you what it looks like when the whole entire side is done now, okay? Yeah, those are the struggles of detangling natural hair, ladies and gents. We all know the feeling if you're watching this video, okay? So right now, I'm just touching up the roots, behind the ears. You can see me doing that. Any place that I feel like I neglected or needs more of the mask that just feels really dry and left out. This mask is supposed to define your curls and stuff like that. So really get in there. Make sure that it's like sucking up this mask. It's going to really dry it out and harden. So get that. Yeah, this to me, it's looking good, right? Like it looks full. So I'm gonna start on the other side. I'm gonna do the whole other side off camera. Just look at that. Boom. So I'm gonna do the whole other side off camera. Girl, she about to start posing, ain't she? Oh, she feel. Oh, baby. Let me tell y'all something. It's done. I smell like a apple cider vinegar goddess. Okay, covered in clay. Like, you can see that this side is like, y'all, I'm kind of afraid to like be bending and snapping this because I know how it was on my face. Like, it was Frankensteined up by the end of it, but I have to let this sit for an hour. I am going to tell you that on this side, I added some of my Sultanicals Bloom Super Potent Healthy Hair Growth Oil. Once I got to the section of my hair that is a little shorter, you can see. So I added that in, and I mixed that, put that on this side. It looks a little different. It looks a lot curlier, and it's actually a lot softer. So I'm nervous to see how that's going to turn out, but I'm hoping that this stuff works. This stuff has so much good, just natural oils in there, from the extra virgin olive oil to, look, let's see, rosemary, horsetail, dandelion root, cayenne pepper, vitamin B, green tea, like garlic oil, ginger root. Like, it has so much. So this side smells so potent and delicious. And oh my gosh, it smells like a garden full of delicious herbs. Oh my gosh, look, it even has rosemary floating in there. I didn't even notice. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit on my hair, and then we're gonna rinse it out. So we'll see what it looks like in an hour. Okay, so it's time to wash this out. It's been a whole hour. You can see that the areas where I did put in the growth oil, it's a little more curlier and has a little more softness and not stuck together like clay. But that's okay. I'm still really excited to see how that's going to turn out. The shampoo and conditioner I'm using to wash my hair today is my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore shampoo and conditioner. This also has an apple cider vinegar, peppermint with shea butter in both. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the shampoo and conditioner. First time using this, I'm very excited. I have been using the OGX Percaxi oil line. I've used the Maui, like curly, whatever. They both are horrible, okay? I could do a review on those if you want. I use them both for 3 weeks, so both for a month. I used one and then the other. Awful, you guys, awful. Like, I could do a review on them, like I said. But let me get to washing this out before who knows what will happen, and then I'll show you the results. All right, so I already started to part my hair because, y'all, this is the finished product and it's time to style. Since we're in quarantine right now, I am literally just going to do a probably like 8 or 9 twists and call it a good day, because then tomorrow it'll be nice and wavy. When I do my twist, I do heavily moisturize. Right now in quarantine, this is the time to heavily moisturize and oil and get your hair into like a good state of condition. You've been in quarantine, like, come out with what I'm doing is I'm coming out with a new state of mind, new like attitude. You know what I'm saying? I'm posting videos in clay filled shirts, y'all. I don't care no more. But what I do care about is how I present myself. And that's what I'm working on. So putting my hair in these little twisted locks with good oils and moisturizers are really helping my hair to not establish a good curl pattern, because I do have a really amazing curl pattern, which, if you haven't noticed, I linked a video to my go-to curl routine that shows off the best curl pattern that I got. Haven't done so already, you hit that like and subscribe button. Leave me a comment, y'all, because I want to chit chat. Like, I'm bored too, you know what I'm saying? Come on. Anyway, love you.